What is up, everybody? I'm Lily Renee, and this is my vlog for January 3rd. I'm just walking to Subway right now. My truck is broken down, so I basically have to walk everywhere that I want to go. And while that gets kind of tedious sometimes, it's alright. I don't mind it that much anymore. Subway's about a mile from my apartment, so it takes me usually about 15 to 20 minutes probably to get there. So it's not too much of a walk. It's actually kind of nice. The street I walk down, not a whole lot of people use, so it's not usually too bad. And the weather's not too bad either for January. Last time I checked, it was 31 or 32 degrees, which right now is pretty nice. We've been having a lot of really cold weather lately. It's been probably about 5 degrees at the highest a lot of times. Sometimes it gets up to 10 degrees. But it's been pretty cold lately. 31 degrees feels super freaking nice right now. So I'm gonna show some of my walk. It's pretty nice. That's where the swimming pool is, over there. And I think this is just like a little park. It's where the baseball fields are for the high school. And we'll go by the high school here in a little bit. The stadiums, you can't really see them right now, but the football stadium is up there. And that is where the college and the high school both play football. Obviously not at the same time. But Fort Scott Community College doesn't, for some reason, have a football field of their own. So they use the high schools, which is probably about a mile away from the college. So I've played at many football games at this stadium for the college. I'm in the pep band. I play trumpet, so that's always a lot of fun. So I'm not really doing anything exciting today. I don't work, so that's kind of nice. It's kind of nice to have a little bit more of a break, I guess you could say. We're closed for New Year's, which was nice. Who's calling me? I'm getting a call from New Hampshire. So if any of you guys know anyone from New Hampshire, no. So yeah, I don't work today, which is very nice. I'm basically just gonna do nothing all day, except for this. This will probably be the only time that I leave the house. I am going with my friend Katie and some of our other friends to see Markiplier in Kansas City tomorrow, and that's going to be so much fun. I'm so excited for that. I'm probably not going to sleep tonight. We're heading up there, I think at like 8 in the morning, and it's about a 2-hour drive to Kansas City. So that'll be a bit of a drive, but it'll be really fun, I think. I am going to do my vlog tomorrow as well, and I'm also going to do another video. I don't think I'll be able to actually record anything at the event, but I'm still going to do a video tomorrow, probably in the hotel that we're staying in. We're staying tomorrow night into Friday morning, and then we're gonna go home. So this is the high school. Back there is the stadium. I'm looking forward to Markiplier tomorrow. It's gonna be very fun, and I'm excited to just spend a day hanging out with my friends. I think we're gonna go to the mall and hang out for a while before the event starts. I'm not sure when it starts. Yeah, so that's pretty much my plans for today and tomorrow. I don't work, obviously, tomorrow either. I go back to work on Friday, and then I work on Saturday, then I'm off on Sunday. So nothing super exciting going on. So look forward to some fun vlogs and then some kind of boring vlogs. You guys are probably confused as to why I'm doing this whole daily vlog thing. No, I'm not trying to copy anybody who's done this idea before. I just wanted something fun to do. I just thought that it would be something interesting that I could do to give you guys a little bit of insight into my daily life. See what I do a lot on a daily, or what I don't do on a daily. A lot of random stuff does happen to me, but also a lot of non-random stuff happens. Sometimes it'll kind of go from something super random and fun to something kind of probably boring, but that's okay. So I'm probably about halfway to Subway, and there's my ringtone. Twitter notifications. Yes, my ringtone is Dean Winchester. Do I regret having it? No. I absolutely love Supernatural. It's one of my favorite shows ever. I'm currently in season 5, and I know season 13 is already going on, but I don't have a whole lot of time to binge watch Supernatural 45-minute episodes while I don't have a whole lot of time is not a good thing, which kind of makes me sad because I absolutely love Supernatural. I have managed to squeeze in a few episodes, but not a whole lot. I'm also trying to work ooh, something's going on. Sounds like an ambulance, maybe? I think an ambulance. I hope whoever it is okay. But I hope, I'm trying to get through a whole list of shows that I have that I'm trying to watch and catch up on. Flash, Supergirl, Arrow, what else? I think that's basically it besides Supernatural at the moment that I'm mainly trying to get through. I'm thinking about watching Stranger Things My cousin Sam really likes it. My cousin Kate really likes it. So I might start watching that. Let me know in the comments if you guys think I should start watching it. It looks pretty good. Season 2's already up. Season 2's been up since October, I think. So at least if I decide to watch that, I have a couple seasons. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of these videos. My little daily vlog things. I think they're super fun to do. But let me know what you guys think. Tell me if you like them. Tell me if you hate them. Tell me if you just don't care. And also, don't forget, leave a comment if there's something that you want me to be completely honest about in one of my If I'm Being Completely Honest videos. There's a pupper! It's a pupper! Hi, pupper. It's another pupper. I hope that you guys are enjoying my videos as much as I'm enjoying making them. Thank you guys for watching them. Here's the Highway 69 that runs through Fort Scott. It's pretty busy. I try not to take the highway when I'm actually driving because it's really busy and so many accidents happen. I'm just not a fan of very busy highways. So, and we have reached where Subway is. So I think that's all for today. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed it. Click that subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. Hit that little bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. You can check out my latest video over here. Check out my channel over here. I hope that you guys have a fantabulous day. Don't forget to stay awesome, and I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye!